Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video and welcome back again to Know Max TV. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add senders email to your Gmail account itself first. So you see here now the email that someone has sent, this email from Reddit, and also it has went into spam of my Gmail account, and so you want the email from Reddit to avoid also you want to avoid those emails going into your Gmail's spam account. So now what you need to do, you need so for example, if I want this email to be sent to the inbox of Gmail, I want to be also clicking on report as not spam. So that is not what I'm going to do, but also I'm going to show you how I can be doing this in advance so that the email from this sender will always be coming into your inbox or be marked as important message rather than going into the spam folder of your Gmail account. So before we start, also subscribe to this channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Know Max TV. So now let's get started. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to be clicking on these settings for my Gmail account. After this, I'm going to click on all settings. As you see, I have all settings button. So once I click on all settings, I'm going to also to continue and also enter into the settings of this Gmail account. So after this, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be going into filters and block messages. So if I click on this one, I'm going to be also managing these options. So what I do now, let me click on filters and block addresses. So after doing this, what I need to do is that I'm going to be going here to here where I'm going to be creating new filters, and you can see here I have also the option to import the filters if you have them. Also, for instance, let me try to click on this import. If I click import, I'm going to be asked the information that I'm going to be importing here containing the email addresses which are blocked or which ones you want to be adding here so that they can appear in a spam. They can appear depending on where you want them to appear as well. So what I need to do, because I want to be creating a single email address to be working there or to be avoiding the spams that can come from that email address, what I need to do, I want to click on this one, create new filter. So after clicking on create new filter, you can see they're asking me to add which email address or which source of the email address I'm going to be adding from. Mostly, let's suppose that I have to add the email. Maybe I have this email, global.com, like this one. So then I want to be adding, this is an example, that is, you can use this one for understanding this tutorial. So now, suppose that I want to be adding, so if it is global.com, it might be having at global.com, because that is where you can see that every email from this domain name is going to be also ended by global.com. For example, we can say Peter at global.com, Jimmy at global.com. It always depends on how you want to be doing this. So what I want to do is that I'm going to be adding from at global.com. So these are the email from these domains, which means those emails will be associated from these domain names. So that also means that the email from this one, this domain, or any kind of email associated with this domain will be coming, depends on the way you have filtered this email. So here you have to add to which means the email address that you will be sending the information to, or the email to. This is the email or the receiver of the email. Also add your email address here, as this one I'm using. So what I need to do, I need to add this one and also add .com. So once you add .com, you can see, yes, once you add .com, you can see also the email address or the email details that also want to be using as well. So let me type this one, the .com. So once you are adding these details, you can be getting the information, so which means all details will be added to this one. So you can add a subject if there any, also if there isn't, you can be adding this one. So here you have to tick has an attachment, also as well if you are having an attachment, you can be setting it out, MBs, whether it's MBs, kilobytes, also bytes and others. So after this, you have to click create filter. So after creating a filter, that means that the email will be from this one at global.com to this email address. What do you want to be set now? Once you are done this, you are going to be also setting other filters option as well. You can see now it is filtered there. So we have to come here and also set an option you want to be doing it. For example, I want it to be started. I have to click here. I want to apply the label, or choose the label to be applying to the email which is coming from this one, that one I have set out. So forward to, so if you want to forward immediately that email address to someone else, that is why we're going to be adding the forward address. Depends on where I want to be forwarding the email address. So if you don't want to be forwarding as well, also you don't need to be choosing that option. So you can see we are there, and also what you need to do is that if you come here, you need to ensure that at global.com we add it again, so we can finish our filter re164@gmail.com. so we have to ensure that is there. So we tick this one, we create a filter. So here you choose whether you want to email from that one to be started, you want to be forwarding it, you can click there and add forwarding email address to be forwarded to. So never send it to spam. That means if the email is coming from there, if you have ticked that option, the email which will be coming from there will not be sent to spam anymore. That is where the email will be marked as the email to be sent to inbox. So will not be also be cautious, or it will be also sent to inbox as well. So you can also always mark as important message or important email from that email address we have added. That means it will be also added to the important email address that you want. So categorize or never mark as important. If you want, you can be suggesting the option you want. Also categorize as choose category. You can be adding it into primary to be primary category. Also apply filter to zero matching conversations if there is. So once you are done or setting the option that you want to be setting, it's all about you to be coming here and create filter. So once which means I'm creating filter, so that's where the final step of creating my filter. So please choose the label or uncheck the checkbox. So as you can see, I have chosen label, and also because I didn't choose the label, I have to uncheck it so that I can proceed. Now let me click this. So once I'm done, you can be seeing these ones that I have set off the email address to myself list. Also, and you can be seeing do this, start it, never send to spam, mark it as important, categorize as a primary, and others. So thank you for watching the video. This is how you can be setting your email to, or you can be adding the given email address to the saved list of your email account, so that the person may be sending the email into your inbox and also be able to view it. It depends on the filter or the option you have set to that email address. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, Nomax TV, and also turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when I upload a new video here at Nomax TV. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.